Elon Musk has reduced his prices on the Model 3 and the Model Y to be competitive with other electrical cars that are out in the market now. In this video, we'll go through Tesla's Model 3, see if this is the right fit for you, if you'd be interested in buying a Model 3 or even Model Y from Tesla. Watch this video to the end to see all the pros and cons. All right, we're on our way to go pick up the car, see what the hype is all about, and I'll tell you what my opinion is on it. See if it's might be a good match for you guys. But we'll take it for a test drive, see how that works. All right, follow along. All right, here we are. I'm supposed to park, but yeah. Oh, gonna go pick it up. I got a couple here, there, and there. We'll see which one it's gonna be. So Hertz did not have the Model Y that booked for, reserved for. When you first get in the car is automatically on. Just got to put the key there in the cup holder. And I actually have my foot in the brake just because I usually drive a naturally aspirated motor. For those non-electric people. So I just got on for a reason. Otherwise the car is in park right there. So I'm gonna adjust some things here. I'm gonna adjust my seat. And the little button's over here. And to open the door, you just press this button. Let's open the door. And there's a seat adjustment there. Pretty self-explanatory. I don't know what this does. Comment below and tell me what that does. Up, down, side, forward. Yeah, model 3 right there. There's the door. So the first thing you want to do is adjust your driving, because I'm new to this. Green to this whole electric thing. So we're going to press the picture of the car, and we change up pedal and steering to photo right here from Chris. I'll put his link below. I watched this video. It was inspired by it too. That you can change this to acceleration as far as standard, chill mode, steering. An electric car is a little bit different. They have a weird braking system where it uses regenerative braking. So hold is the best use of your battery to conserve your battery. But I'm green to this whole new thing, so get it green. So we're gonna use creep. I'm gonna set it to creep. You can set it to roll. But the pedals, when pedals are released, it'll start to roll. Then hold is the maximum use of regenerative braking. That way you kind of regenerate. You use kind of less braking, more battery being conserved. So I'm gonna set it to creep. So that's the first thing I do. I'm not gonna go through all of these. You can, if you rent one from Hertz, I'm gonna have to get a collaboration with Hertz. See, they can do something for your boy here. So you can go toggle through all this stuff. I don't think this has autopilot self-driving. So to adjust our mirrors, this is still manually done. So we can move this around. And as far as the outside mirrors, inside mirrors, we're going to do mirrors. And we're going to choose left. And then we're going to use these buttons up here. It tells you to do that. Adjust here. And move these buttons like this. This toggles left too. This actually moves. Yeah, perfect. Pretty snazzy, I think. Here we go. Yep, so that's what I want. Now I'm going to choose right to adjust that mirror over there. And these seats are pretty soft, pretty cushiony, yeah, I think. And I don't know, is it leather? Pleather? I don't know. And here's my fluid we're going to use to do the Tundra valve body solenoid torque solenoid replacement. Watch that video if you haven't already. Check that out. These cushiony seats. I got my Americano here. Take a little sip of this. And we're gonna save. Hit save here. X out. I mean, I think you can I'm not, because it's a rental, I'm not going to download the app and do a whole spiel as far as like applying my settings to this car, since this is just a rental. And who Tom, person that rented this car last, was Tom. Shout out to Tom. And we can X out of here by hitting this button here. Alright, a couple more things. Air conditioning, it's on manual right now. It's kind of hot in New England right now. It's late August. It's about, what's the temperature outside? It's 82 degrees and it's humid right now. So you can hit this button here. You can set it to auto, manual, and then the temperature you just toggle. I don't know if you can see it. Those little arrows up and down to whatever temperature setting you want to heat and cool the car. Mind you, heating and cooling does soak up electricity from your car. This is all power generated, so a little battery indicator. So I picked this up, it was 94%, I'm using 91% already. So everything is there. You can do auto if you want. You can hit that again. You set oil, heat, defrost, all that good stuff. All right, let's go back here. And we're gonna go back to this thing. And then to unlock the doors for your car, just touch screen, it's all touch screen. The front, same thing, charger. And then, so what I found is Tesla was kind of smart. They had to use kind of like a gray caricature type deal where we're at. That way you're not invading people's privacy, because for that reason, you'll see when you start to drive that it'll sense cars around you, so that way it's not invading people's privacy as far as like in real time. All right, so charging, you can check your battery life by clicking on battery here. That brings up how much charge you have left. So it's about 91%. You can find location, last paid charges. So it's pretty cheap, friends. $11.34 to compared to my V8 Tundra that takes about $60 to gas up, but this is only $11.34, and then charging, so pretty snazzy. Other features on the center console, you can have it hooked up to your phone, you can call somebody, camera view, you can see different camera views. What is this one? It looks like just like the way Apple's set up. You can go with Apple Music, you can do Messenger, all that good stuff. Oh, you can watch YouTube. Oh, look at that. Twitch, Hulu. Show's not sponsored anyway, but if Netflix, YouTube, hey, speaking of YouTube, you should subscribe. You have other entertainment. So this does not work while you're driving, obviously. So let's go here. This is where the gaming stuff is. So you can watch a movie. You can play games. Play some games on here all day. So to drive, I'm naturally a gas driver, so I'm just gonna put on brake. I'm gonna toggle here and watch this part here. So we're in drive, we're engaged, and here we go. So it does get some used to it. Just I'm feathering the gas accelerator, to call it. If I let go, it does creep a little forward, and just use the pedal brakes if you need to. And we're gonna keep going here, folks. Got my sunglasses. We'll put that sunglasses on as soon as we get out there. Pretty standard driving. The thing is, you don't hear any motor as you're driving. It's because it's electrified. You don't hear no startup or this guy. Dude, where you going, bro? Bro. All right, here we go. Well, as I'm coming down that hill here, I'm gonna feather off the gas. And the car's gonna slow down. Pretty cool. So that's all you got to get used to, is just get it coming off the feathering part. Some cars coming here in fast. Okay, we're good, yeah. So you still hear the road noise, but you don't actually hear motor noise. Like, if anything, you ever been on a roller coaster, like a smooth one? It sounds just like that. It's like, ooh, that's it. Because you hear the torque on the car going off, but you actually don't see. There's a car next to me. I realize that there's a guy next to me messing with the Tesla. So how it kind of gives you that cartoon-like, and there's a car in front of me right now, and there's the car right there. So it gives you real live data using the cameras around the whole car. So gives you pretty good, you know. The only thing it doesn't tell you is there's a car behind me. It doesn't show up on the monitor here. So it's pretty cool. It actually detects red lights too. So it's red right now. It's gonna turn green. You can see that happen. So I do have to say, after driving it for at least 15 miles or so, the car still has a normal sound that a car would have, like all the road noise, everything. Just minus the engine, of course. I do hear the motors in the back spinning the wheel. I believe this is a regular Model 3, not the extended range version. No, nothing fancy, plaid, nothing like that. So I hear the turbines running. Oh, that's the correct term. Comment below what I should be saying as far as the motor in the back. But yeah, you still have the regular road noise like you do from a regular car, minus the emissions and everything else. Okay, let's check out our wipers. We're going to press here, our wipers. There you go. So what Tesla does do is when the light turns green, you'll hear the car beep and tell you it's time to go. You hear it? So it gives a little ding, just like if you were on an airplane. That's green, it's time to go. So the cool thing, when you turn, the camera will light up here to show when you're turning. You'll see in a second here. I'm going to turn. So, yeah, a lot of technology in this car. Lots of technology, that's for sure. So I'm going to turn, signal, and hold down the stalk here. And there it is. See how it shows you? Turn. Alright, I'm on my way to get electrified, get charged up. So it's about 7 in the morning. I was going to go to the gym first, but let's see, they say, according to the review, that you should charge these cars on off-peak hours. So 7 in the morning. The nearest charger is near a mall where I live. So head over there. Alright, here we are at the Tesla's charging station. I don't know why there's yellow cones over there. We'll figure it out. Alright, pulled up. So it's usually on the same size as any gasoline car, but it's an electric car. Pro tip is the cord is very short, so you have to get very close to the cord and you just tap the side. Just press the button here. This thing is a magnetic charge. Go right back here. There. And it closes itself already. Now there's a bunch out there. You don't have to use Tesla, but there's a whole bunch out. This is Electrify America. It's going at 150 kilowatts. You know, probably a little bit cheaper. We'll see. So the pricing for Electrify America, it tells you right there, 37 cents. I mean 19 cents per minute. Up to 190 kilowatts. However, the connector they gave me does not fit these Electrify America chargers. This and this will never meet. Get these other cheap ones by EVgo fast charger, but it's only 50 kilowatts. I don't know if it's me, but this phone, my work phone, doesn't seem to charge. It has the case around it. I need to take off the case. Supposedly these magnetic charges. So the other thing about the model, the Tesla, is you can lock the door with the key card on the driver's side. But you can't lock the door from the passenger side. Yeah, so you can't do nothing. It doesn't do anything. So, I mean, pretty nice car. So it is a car. I'm used to a truck. You know, it is a Model 3 4-door sedan. What year is this thing? 2022. So it's 2022. So not bad. It's a Model 3 2022. I have to get the specs on this, what it has and what it doesn't have. I don't think it's the extended range or anything like that. It's got the blacked out rims. It's a decent car, but I am a truck guy. I mean, this may be appropriate for you. I mean, if as far as like saving electricity and all that, it'll be perfect. And you know, let me know. Comment below. If you like this kind of content, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. This channel is about cost savings and personal finance. This is about cost savings. Since Tesla came out with their new reduced price, this might be a cost saver and something you may consider buying for yourself. Alright, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. I don't know why all these trucks are pulling up all of a sudden. I'm trying to shoot this video.